Hey, what's up? Rob here. You are watching ThreadBanger, and it is the year 2020. Still, November. How long have we been in this year? Feels like I've been in this trapped in this year for like 5 years. You know, 2020 has obviously been a very different year, but the one thing that I thought would be consistent was I thought Starbucks would give us like some sort of like fun Frappuccino. You know what I mean? In past years, they've had the Witch's Brew Frappuccino, they've had the Unicorn Frappuccino, the Zombie Frappuccino, that was a fun one. But here we are, the fucking saddest year of them all, 2020, and nothing. You haven't given a shit. Come on. Well, I got something to change it around. I got something for you. You read the title correctly. This time around, we're filling up those old reusable Starbucks cups that you haven't used in like 9 months. We're filling them up with something new. Some Pandemic Fraps. These things are coming just in time. Because honestly, I'm a little freaked out. I'm gonna let you in on a little something. Last week, Corinne and I left the house. Corinne and I took our first vacation since this whole thing started. It was our 9-year wedding anniversary. We went along the Blue Ridge Parkway. It was fall, it was amazing. We went up to Shenandoah National Park. We rented an RV, did a little camping, did a little hiking. It was nice. Real weird out there. Had a great time, but real weird. While driving, we listened to the new Twilight audiobook on our Audible Plus memberships. Get this, they're rewriting the entire Twilight series from Edward's perspective. 25 hours long, the first book. We didn't get through all of it, but Corinne put it on.
My eyes would glow red as the devil's. All likeness would be lost forever.
Anyways, that gets me to our sponsor, Audible, and their newest membership plan, Audible Plus, where you get access to their huge catalog filled with audiobooks, podcasts, all the Audible originals, and now they're doing it up for the holidays. It's only $4.95 for the first 6 months. Good gift. Good gift. Not even for other people, just for yourself. You know what I mean? Be sure you check out audible.com/threadbanger or text threadbanger to 500-500. If nothing good has happened to you so far in this 2020, at least sign up and get yourself a free audiobook. All right, on to the project, which I got all the supplies for over here. I'm not gonna be making coffee and all that stuff, so I just got like all the Starbucks stuff. Now these recipes, I'm only gonna make a couple here. There are plenty of plagues to choose from. I'm picking 2. The Black Plague, which is you know, a favorite of mine, and then the one that we are in right now, the coronavirus pandemic plague, what have you. Now these recipes I'm making myself. But I don't have all the things. I was looking for maybe something special. Some kind of toppings and something fun to put on them. I was hoping to get some kind of like coronavirus candy to put on, but nobody, it seems, I looked online, nobody has made that yet. I was thinking maybe I have to make my own. There's still some more supplies, like some sprinkles and things. But while I was on Amazon, I came across this. This was highly disturbing. This was a coronavirus pinata. I don't know whether or not that's in bad taste or not, but I ordered it. I don't know. So come, join me outside right now, and we're gonna... Oh, Jesus, that's a screen right there. And I need to... Yep, yeah, we got that up right here. Yeah. Got some good stuff in there. All right. "19 times I gotta spin myself around, right? I'm just making that up. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh, there it is. Huh? The little thing came off. That wasn't even my fault. What a fucking piece of shit. And that came off before the ball exploded. But I was doing a pretty fucking good job. Let's see what was in here. We got some nitrous. We got some nerds. We got some rock candy. Got some sprinkles. Score. All right, sweet. All right, we got all of our supplies. Everything is out for our first recipe, which I just made up. The Black Plague Frappuccino. Pretty much the idea is just to make this Frappuccino, just to make it as black as the Black Plague itself, which was dark. Wiped out like a third of Europe. 200 million people? I don't know. It was terrible. Terrible times. All right, set you up here. Look at this hairstyle. What is going on? Some people are thinking that there's a mullet going on here, but it's really just a mohawk. All right, let's get to work. This light's annoying. Get your blender, my bobber, and you're just gonna fill up 3 skull shot glasses filled with espresso. Maybe a 4th, just for good luck. Next, you're gonna hit up that chocolate syrup, and now you're gonna take some Starbucks medium roast. Get a little bit of that in there. It's looking dark. I also got these candy sprinkle like tombstones. You know, I just figure we'll just sprinkle some extra death in there. Now you get some ice. Now, what you want to do here, you get this thing. Here we go. Wrap it up. All right, so that is our black frappuccino. Looks a little too brown for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of this super black food coloring, couple drops, and just turn this on for a second. That's what I'm talking about. Now this is when things get fun. Next up, I'm gonna be making myself some black whipped cream. Boom. Bet you didn't see that one coming. How's he gonna do that, you ask? That's where the nitrous cartridges come in. Yep. Yeah, remember those? From the pinata? These things. Anybody remember buying these at adult stores? I'm not even gonna get into that. These are whipped cream chargers. I'm gonna be using these to make black whipped cream. I think. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it right here, right now. Oh, shit. Okay. What the f did I do wrong? What the fuck? Shit. Oh, God damn it. It's like all the way over here. Oh, and it's heavy whipping cream. It's gonna smell like fucking shit in here. Alright, well that was a fucking nightmare. Holy shit. I'm gonna give this making whipped cream process one more try. And this time I'm gonna add the black to it this time, but I'm gonna keep it in a controlled sink process down here. That doesn't look like whipped cream. That just looks like a fucking another mess. God damn it. Well, this fucking thing sucks. Which is why I prepared and got a backup. Store-bought, chocolate flavored. First thing they do, they always do this barista trick #1. So you take the chocolate here, as they do a little swiggly pattern here, put a little bit at the top to drip down, just like that. Now you pour your Black Plague Frappuccino in. That looks nice. But not too much, you want to leave some room for your whipped cream. That is looking like some drive-through barista shit, right? Just like the old days. I'll write your name on it, don't worry. All right, here we go. Whoa, whoa, shit. Watch out. Oh, damn. But that's not it. It's not over. Look what we got. Activated black charcoal powder. Little sprinkle of this. Oh, damn. Oh, but the fun doesn't stop there. I went online and I got these little sprinkles from Halloween. They're little skulls and they're little bone sprinkles. Check that out. One more little dash of death. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's it, folks. You are looking at it. The Black Death Frappuccino. Oh, you want to, but you should probably take a sip before I take a sip. You know, it's the pandemic and all. Here, let me know what you think. Strong. Yeah. Wow. Holy shit. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. Woo. That is some juice. Whew. What's next? Pandemic Frap number 2. The COVID-19 Frap. I had a whole elaborate concoction to make it with different color whipped creams, but that's not gonna happen because I don't know how to do that. So we're gonna figure something else out. Let's see what we got. Pre-made Frappuccino. I ain't gotta do shit. Step 1, pour it into there. Add some ice. All right, and now we gotta decorate this thing. This is what I'm thinking. The colors of this thing, it's this spore, it's this cell, it's this thing, and it's like either blue and red or red and blue. And now here's the special part. We add a little super red food dye. We make this look like plasma. Yeah, blood. All right, that looks good. That's pretty gross. Now, this doesn't have too much of a flavor profile, and since I really don't have anywhere to drive for like, I don't know, the next 2 months, I'm thinking I could turn this thing into like a whiskey flavored frap. Haven't seen that one on the menu. All right, the Frappuccino part is mixed. Next up, we're taking a little Sundae caramel syrup, throwing it into our own little bottle, adding some royal blue food dye. Oh yeah. We got our blue caramel. We're gonna do the same thing here. We're just gonna give it a little swirl here. That's pretty cool. We're gonna see if this turns out. I'll take it. Kind of Spider-Man-y. I like it. I like it. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Remember that rock candy we got out of the COVID pinata? We're gonna crush that up a little bit. Sprinkle some of this blue rock candy on here. Some of these nerds. Hold on, I think it needs, oh yeah, that's it. A couple of these red sprinkles. Oh shit. Looks a little 4th of July, but what do you think? The all new coronavirus pandemic frappuccino. Fuck, I'm going to hell. If I didn't go already. Oh, fuck, that's delicious. That's a good one. Oh, with the nerds. Oh, the caramel. Oh, that is delicious. I don't want to give you any because I don't want to spread anything if there is anything in here. Starbucks, you're missing out. You need to catch up on this trend. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got a little something there. Cheers to not going out and not getting frappuccinos this year. I don't know. Maybe in the future, maybe we'll be able to get fun frappuccinos again. I don't know. No, I forgot the best part. No, the loopy, the silly straw. Because this year's just been loopy. That's the best goddamn part. Man, oh man. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I'm not gonna be sleeping anytime soon. And I'm gonna be quarantining for quite a while. I don't think I'm gonna be going anywhere anytime soon. All I know is that I got my Audible plus I hope that you got yours. Do me a favor. Hit up audible.com/ThreadBanger or text ThreadBanger to 500-500. Be sure that you're subscribed, like up this video for more wacky quarantine content, and if you got any more Pandemic Frappuccino recipes, be sure that you leave them down in the comments below. We'll see you around here next time.
You know what it means when those doors are closed? Someone is pooping in there. Everything okay in there?
What?
Ew.